Hey, Mark Harvey here, and look, I wanted to bring you a message that's along the lines of asking you a question, and that question is, who is the most important team member, the power team member for business and property investment, especially if you want to scale? I mean, if you want to scale in property, then doing it via a business or creating a business for this to happen, in my opinion, only my opinion, is the only way. So here is my opinion on who is the most important person in your power team and why. Look, I'm not saying that you don't need other people. I'm just saying the most important person to keep you on track, to keep you scaling, to keep you understanding what's happening in your business. Once you create chaos in your business, this person is going to help you out of that chaos and make sure that you can even stay in business, because the information that this person provides is the key to business and property investment. Why? Because numbers are the language of business, because all the numbers has to stack up. That's the thing with business. If the numbers do not stack up, if you're not generating enough income, or you're not generating enough sales, then the numbers will not stack up. So I'll tell you right now, the most important person, but I want to hear from you as well. So wherever you're watching this, just comment below, who is the most important power team member for you in business? You're either in business, or who do you think, if you were to get in business, who do you think would be your most important power team member? Because I can tell you for sure that the person that you need to have a loyal, trustworthy bookkeeper, a bookkeeper that understands your business, the way that it works, the way that you're looking to grow, to be able to grow with you, to organize things in a way where you can get the management information that you require when you need it. The profit and loss, the balance sheet, how much profit you're making, the salaries that you need to pay, dividends you want to say, profits. You're going to be able to manage your money, to put VAT aside. It depends if you're doing rental income, because that's VAT exempt. So rental income, if it's just buy and hold strategy, you're not going to need to do that. But some of our businesses, that are not in property, VAT registered, it's like, listen, you need to put that money aside. You need to understand what's happening on a month-by-month basis, even week-by-week basis. You need to understand what's happening with the numbers, because the numbers are the language of business. But what I'm talking about right now is who is the most important power team member. If you don't have a good bookkeeper already, or you think you want to do it yourself, I mean, you might be a bookkeeper, but look, it's always good, especially if you're the owner or you're a majority shareholder or you play a large part in the business, that the bookkeeper is not you. That's why I'm saying the most important power team member is the bookkeeper, not are you the most important because you want to be the bookkeeper. I know some people, they want to hold on to it. Some people have the ability, they love the numbers, they get a thrill out of the numbers. That's okay. But if you want to scale, you're going to need a team member, someone who is a part of your business, a part of your team, that takes care of the numbers, that takes care of you. In turn, that's what will happen, because you got to know what's coming in, what's going out, when. And if you can get them to link closely with the other areas of your business, like whoever's managing your properties, whether you're doing it yourself or through an agent, following up the back end of making sure that people are paying on time, then oh my goodness, does that start to flow. Look, I learned and we learned here the hard way. We created so much chaos so quickly with building a portfolio. Like in the first 18 months, like firing out the blocks, we were up to like 4.5 million. We're nearly at 8 million now, just over 2 years. But so that created a lot of chaos. That was a lot of different rooms, a lot of different rental incomes, a few different businesses as well, because our businesses do different things. So we set different things up. So bookkeeper, absolutely, for me, just my opinion, but I want to hear from you as well. What's your opinion? Who's the most important power team member? Because you got to know the numbers. Because if the numbers don't stack up, the rest of the team doesn't even matter. They won't even be your team if you can't make the numbers stack up. So for me, that's what it is. And listen, if you want more information, tips, strategies, or you have any particular question, comment below, but also go register on our YouTube channel, Real Life Group, because we are posting whatever it is that you guys need. My mission, or part of my mission, is I want to give away for free better training, better content, better information than what you would pay for normally. So if there's anything that you need in the area of business, and if I don't know it, I'll find someone who knows it. We can interview, we'll find them, we'll do whatever we need to do. But remember guys, do the right thing for the right reason.